The challenge this time was also following the 5 C's of survival: cutting tool, combustion, cover, container and cordage. The big question is, how many items did I actually manage to find? Stay tuned and let's find out. See you in the video. Let's see what we can find.
Yeah.
And the sleeping bag is 20 Danish crowns. I'll take these two, the hammock and the sleeping pad. It's only 3 Danish crowns. Prices here are really quite reasonable. I'll take this too. I can make some char-cloth on a trip too. A fishing reel with some fishing line on. 30 Danish crowns. Works perfectly fine. I think I'm gonna buy this and then I'm gonna find a fishing rod for a fishing kit in a later episode. Nå, tak for det. Hej. Last store of the day. $35. I'll take that. That's a great way of processing some firewood. Hej hej. Perfect. Now we have a good knife too. It's really sharp. It's probably homemade, but seems good quality. Awesome. A good saw and a high quality knife. This is a sleeping pad or a yoga pad or whatever you would use it for. I'll just take this and lay it out here so I'm able to sit down. So I took this sleeping pad or yoga mat or whatever you like to call it, because I found a hammock. So a piece of my cover this time will be a hammock, and this is just a normal size hammock that I'm able to stretch out between two trees. And I found this pot. This is, I think, a fondue set, but I'll just be using the pot to boil water and prepare food. Yeah, that was what I was able to find, so that is what I'll be using. So inexpensive too. Yeah, on the side here you can see I found this saw. This is just a wood saw. This was 35 Danish crowns. This will be part of my cutting kit. I also found another cutting tool, but I will show you that in a minute. The bag. This I also found. This was 25 Danish crowns. It has these compartments or small outer bags that you can take off, that are secured with molly. And yeah, it's really great to have something like this that you can take on the go if you need to find some tinder or whatever you need, and you don't want to carry your whole bag. Yeah. So in the front of this I have a few items I would like to show you. First off, to me this was the score of the day. This is a small, I think it looks homemade, at least. A homemade bushcraft knife. As you can see, the maker's mark, or the one who produced this, is called Brusletto, and it's made in Norway. I think this is something you would buy as a starting kit if you want to try to make your own blades. I think this is an inexpensive piece, but nevertheless this is actually quite sturdy and it's really sharp, and it's all I need for a small trip like this. And it came with this homemade leather sheet too. So I'll be doing something myself with some straps to carry this, but I'll be showing you that in the next episode. So this is the second part of my cutting tool. This was a really great find, and it was only 20 Danish crowns. So a really cool and really handy knife. So I have my cutting tool. I have a container in a bag and in this pot. Then I have some cover in this hammock and the sleeping pad. Yeah, this will go with my cutting tool kit, the sharpener. And as you know, when I don't find all the 5 C's of survival, then I'm able to bring something from my own kit. And today I brought this fire starting kit that I made this leather pouch for. Let me just show you what it contains. So this is my own homemade fire kit that I'll bring as Combustion. So I have some Vaseline. This is really great for soaking cotton pads and stuff like that for tinder when you're starting a fire. For those of you who have followed the channel for some time, you know these are my Phoenix fireballs. These contains cotton pads soaked in Vaseline and wrapped with duct tape so that they are waterproof. I have 4 of those. Then I have some cordage. You can use the string for a lot of things, but also as a fire starting source, a tinder. Then I have this is the fire straw that I made. You can put this in the ground and light it, and they will burn for a long time. It is filled with glue. Then I have a flint and a steel, so I can throw some sparks and ignite my char cloth if I brought that. I have this pencil sharpener with 2 different sizes. I'm able to do some fine shapings if I have a stick, so I'm able to light the fire. And lastly, I have a big lighter with some duct tape wrapped around. So guys, this was my thrift store survival kit. This is what I got. Some compromises and some surprises, as always. Make sure to subscribe so you will catch the next episode where I go out and test this kit. I'll be setting up camp, I'll be cooking food, and I'll be having a small challenge, something that I'm not familiar with and I haven't tried before. As always, thank you for tuning in and thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Leaf Outdoors signing out.